Good afternoon. I am going to show you a recipe for spaghetti with which I participated in the competition. The ingredients are onion, tomato, garlic, meat, spaghetti, salt, oil. First, we cook the onions and we cook with garlic. Then we place the tomatoes with hot water. Now we take a pound of meat and chop it. Now we peel the tomatoes with hot water and process them. At some time we have cooked the spaghetti with salt and some oil. In this moment we fry the meat and preserve. Later we saute the onion and garlic. I cut the spaghetti until this the desired texture, in this case al dente. When the garlic and onion are golden, add the processed tomatoes. Let it boil and then add the meat reserved. We add the red wine and let the alcohol evaporate. Let it boil for a few more minutes. At this moment, everything is ready. We serve it at Parmesan and enjoy. Mmm, yummy!